can't you get a cup?
Because I'm too strong.
You're too strong?
Yeah, I'm too strong.
And so you can't get a cup?
I can't. I want you to.
Why?
Because I want you to.
Why?
Because I'm not bigger.
But I thought you were too strong.
Because I am.
'Cause you are.
Yeah, I am.
But I said it.
I said it too. I said it too.
Oh, yeah?
Can you get a cup?
I can't. I'm too strong.
I'm not. You're not.
I am. I'm too strong.
You're not.
Why
No,
not?
you're not. Not. Not that. Can you get a cup? I want to get a cup.
What do you say?
Please?